Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, we want to talk about micronormals inside the generator in Substance Painter. If you want to add more, depth and realism to your texture, I think it is an awesome feature. So let's get started. Alright, so what is the micronormal and why we want to use? Let me show you with example. For instance, I'm going to add this normal decal into my model. For instance, something like here, and I'm going to add a fill layer on top of that, add a black mask and add a generator, for instance, a metal edge generator. And as you can see, this generator is not going to contribute to the normal map that I've added here. So the micronormal is a setting inside the generator that you can use to add the information of or added normal decals to the generators by clicking on the generator, and as you can see, this is down here. But by default, if you click on that, you need to add a texture, but we don't want to add a texture. We want to recall the normal map that we have added to our micronormal section in our generator. To reaching this, we need to add an anchor point to the layer that contain our decal, and we need to come to our generator, click on the micronormals, and from here you can also choose an anchor point. So we have added the anchor point to the micronormal, but by default the reference channel is on the base color. We need to change it into normal. So we need to come to this section also into the micronormal details, into micro details, and we need to turn on, and as you can see, the generator now started to contribute to our normal map. Let me change the material to something like a rust. So as you can see, now we have the edgeware on our normal decals also. So if you have many decals, not just one, all you need to do is to add a folder and put your decals, normal decals there, and add an anchor point on that folder and recall that anchor point in your generator. It's very simple. Alright, so as you can see, the micronormals is a method that you can use to enrich your generators with more data and fit them with more data, and in this method you can enrich your texture. It's very useful, especially in texturing hard surface, because there are a lot of decals there, and you contribute these decals to edgeware and generator that you use. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.